This question is using the graph at the right, and it asks you what is the limit of the function as x approaches 1, and it wants the limit both from the left and the right. So pause your video to figure that out. So from the left, looking here at 1, on the left side you can see that it's going towards this point, which is at 2. So the limit for the left is 2. However, coming from the right, you'll see the function as it goes to 1 is going down here, going towards this point, which is at 1. In the brain starter, we saw that the limit from the left, this little minus sign coming from the negative sides, is different from the limit on the right, which means that they are not equal, like in this situation. However, if they are equal, if the left limit equals the right limit, then that means that we just know the limit as x approaches some number, whatever that number was. In the brain starter it was 1, then it's just that number. So as long as the left and the right are the same, that is the limit of the function at that point. However, if the left and right limits are different values, like we had in the brain starter, as Lindsay Lohan and Mean Girls once so eloquently put it, no, I don't have copyrights to this, the limit does not exist. So for problems like that, you would simply write D and E. So these two problems are asking for the limit at a certain point. So in order to do that, we have to figure out what is the left limit. And in this case, if we go from the left, remember we're going towards 0, so we're looking straight down the y-axis. The left limit appears to be approaching -2, but the right limit up here, the right is approaching +2. So, since these two are different, that means the limit as x approaches 0 of this function does not exist. Now we can do the same thing over here for x equals -3. So x equals -3 from the left, it appears we're approaching 4. And from the right, it's also approaching 4. Which means that the limit of g of x here is just 4 as x approaches -3.